In prime time news this evening, high drama at the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation. 2 PNP councillors crossed the floor, plus a failed attempt to have the sitting mayor ousted. Maypen to Williamsfield Highway officially opened, and later, the management of the country's 2 airports facing the heat.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, this evening we'll have a little bit of tourism and some news on the new banknotes and the deployments across some of the ABM network. So I'll have the details a little later. Thank you, Keys. And Jermaine Brown is going to be shedding light on what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Indeed, Archie. Thank you. Well, the Reggae Boys did their bit at the National Stadium recently. It's now the turn for the Reggae Girls to do their bit in the Olympic qualifiers. The squad has been announced. We'll tell you a bit about that and more later on.
I do hope people go out and support our girls. They really do need the support.
Yeah.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, with the Maypen to Williamsfield Highway now opened, where else would be most suited for a project of that magnitude?
I have several ideas, but you can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at tvjnews Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.